today we talk about how can you find your real-time analytics on your Wix app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, you just go down, keep going down here, click here on analytics, you just click on it. It's going to show for you list like this. You go down, click here on real-time analytics, you just click on it. Then here you will find all real-time analytics you have in this list. Like you see here, I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.